Dongguan Happy Gift Company Limited, originating from Dongguan, China, is the preferred manufacturer for producing various metal crafts for wholesalers and retailers of international major sports events, world brands, military, government agencies, and promotional products from around the world. Our main products include sports medals, lapel pins, coins, keychains, lanyards, embroidery and PVC products, etc. The reliable quality has been always our first principle for the business. It helps us build up the high reputation among the industry, as well as win the trust and cooperation with the world-famous brand. We are also the certified member of SEDEX, which allows us to produce the Olympic relative items. We insist on providing our customers with the highest quality products and services, as well as the most competitive prices.